7 foods that shrink an enlarged prostate naturally. Did you know that over 50% of men over the age of 50 struggle with an enlarged prostate? And most of them have no idea that the foods they eat can actually shrink it naturally? Imagine suffering from restless nights, constant trips to the bathroom, and the fear of one day facing surgery. For many men, this is reality. But here's the good news. You don't always have to rely on risky medications or painful operations. In fact, God has already placed natural foods in our kitchens that can reduce prostate swelling, restore urinary health, and give back peace of mind. Today, I'll share with you 7 powerful foods proven to support and shrink the prostate naturally. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal a secret enlarged prostate tea recipe that has been transforming lives for decades. First of all, it is important to know that most men with BPH often suffer silently with symptoms like frequent urination, weak urine flow, disrupted sleep, and sometimes even embarrassment in public situations. The standard solutions given are usually pills or surgery, but those come with their own set of risks and side effects, such as dizziness, sexual dysfunction, and infections. That's why more and more men are searching for natural ways to deal with prostate issues. If you are one of them, you are in the right place, because the right foods can lower inflammation, balance hormones, and protect prostate cells. By making a few smart changes to your diet, you can start restoring your prostate health naturally. Food number 1, tomatoes, lycopene. Tomatoes are not just colorful additions to your meals. They are loaded with nutrients that specifically protect your prostate. The secret is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes that has been shown to shrink enlarged prostates and lower cancer risks. Lycopene works by reducing oxidative stress and blocking DHT, a hormone that drives prostate growth. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes makes lycopene even more available to your body, which means sauces, pastes, and soups are better than raw slices. That's why dishes like spaghetti sauce or tomato soup can be much more than comfort food. They can be healing food. Adding them to your diet regularly is a simple way to take care of your prostate naturally. To maximize the benefits of tomatoes, pair them with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, since lycopene is fat-soluble. This combination not only boosts absorption, but also makes meals more satisfying. Think of a salad with olive oil and tomato, or pasta with tomato sauce and a drizzle of olive oil. These small, tasty changes can go a long way for your prostate health. Over time, consistent intake of tomatoes can lower inflammation and support hormone balance. So every time you add tomatoes to your diet, you are quietly investing in your long-term health. Food number 2, pumpkin seeds, zinc and phytosterols. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but their health benefits are big, especially for men's prostate health. They are one of the richest natural sources of zinc, which is vital for testosterone regulation and prostate function. When zinc levels are too low, the prostate becomes more vulnerable to swelling and enlargement. These seeds are also filled with phytosterols, plant-based compounds that help reduce swelling and block harmful hormonal activity. Eating just a handful daily can already make a noticeable difference over time. That makes pumpkin seeds one of the easiest natural snacks for better prostate health. There are also many creative ways to add pumpkin seeds to your daily diet. You can sprinkle them on top of oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or toss them into salads for a satisfying crunch. Some people roast them lightly with spices to make a delicious snack. By including them regularly, you'll be fueling your body with the zinc and nutrients it needs to stay balanced. The beauty of pumpkin seeds is that they are inexpensive, versatile, and convenient. So next time you're craving a crunchy bite, skip the chips and grab a handful of pumpkin seeds instead. Food number 3, green tea, catechins. Green tea has been praised for centuries as a natural healing drink, and modern science confirms its benefits for the prostate. It contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect prostate cells from damage. Studies show that men who drink green tea daily have a lower chance of developing prostate problems like BPH and even prostate cancer. The soothing drink doesn't just calm your mind, it strengthens your body from within. By regularly drinking 2 to 3 cups a day, you give your prostate long-lasting protection. Think of it as one of the simplest daily habits you can adopt for better health. The best part is, green tea is versatile and easy to enjoy. You can drink it hot on a cool morning or iced on a summer day. Just avoid loading it with sugar, because that will undo many of its health benefits. If you like a little sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey instead. Drinking green tea consistently can make you feel lighter, healthier, and more energized. Over time, this habit can become one of your strongest defenses against prostate troubles. Before we continue, let me ask you a favor. If you're finding this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a big goal to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and we cannot do it without each and every one of you. Your support helps us keep sharing life-changing health content with the world. Food number 4, fatty fish, omega-3s. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, some of the best natural anti-inflammatories available. Since inflammation plays a major role in prostate enlargement, eating these fish can help reduce swelling and discomfort. Omega-3s also regulate hormones, slowing down the growth of prostate cells. What makes fatty fish even more amazing is that they don't just benefit the prostate. They also support your heart, brain, and joints. One food, multiple benefits, all working together to improve your overall health. This makes fish a must-have in any diet focused on long-term wellness. For best results, try to include fatty fish in your meals 2 or 3 times per week. Grilled salmon, sardine salads, or mackerel sandwiches are tasty ways to get your omega-3s. If you're not a fan of fish, you can still get these healthy fats from chia seeds, flax seeds, or supplements. Adding omega-3s to your diet helps fight inflammation from the inside out. That means less swelling, better hormone balance, and a healthier prostate. Small, consistent choices like this can have powerful long-term results. Food number 5, berries, antioxidants. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries do more than just satisfy your sweet tooth. They also detoxify your body. They are packed with vitamin C and flavonoids, compounds that help flush out harmful toxins and reduce stress on prostate cells. When oxidative stress is reduced, the prostate can function more efficiently. Eating berries regularly is a natural way to lower inflammation and protect your body against cellular damage. Even just a handful of berries added to your breakfast can provide a burst of health benefits. It's one of the tastiest ways to care for your prostate naturally. The beauty of berries is that they are both delicious and versatile. You can eat them fresh, toss them into a smoothie, or mix them with yogurt. They add flavor and color while also protecting your health. Berries don't just stop at prostate health. They fight overall aging by guarding all your cells against damage. That means clearer skin, more energy, and a stronger immune system. By enjoying them daily, you're investing in your health in the sweetest way possible. Food number 6, broccoli, sulforaphane. Broccoli is one of the most powerful vegetables when it comes to fighting prostate problems. It belongs to the cruciferous family, known for balancing hormones that contribute to prostate growth. The key compound in broccoli is sulforaphane, which helps the body get rid of toxins and slows down the growth of abnormal cells. Regularly eating broccoli has been linked to lower risks of BPH and even prostate cancer. Whether steamed, stir-fried, or eaten raw in salads, broccoli is a versatile and powerful health booster. It's not just good for your plate, it's good for your prostate. For even more benefits, try combining broccoli with other healthy foods like garlic and olive oil. This not only boosts the flavor, but also enhances its healing effects. A few servings of broccoli each week can make a real difference in your long-term health. It's a simple addition to your meals that pays off in big ways. Think of broccoli as a natural shield, protecting your prostate while also supporting your overall health. Consistency is key, so make it a regular part of your diet. Food number 7, turmeric, curcumin. Turmeric, the golden spice used for centuries in traditional medicine, is a natural weapon against prostate inflammation. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the strongest anti-inflammatory agents found in nature. Curcumin helps reduce prostate swelling and blocks harmful pathways that trigger further enlargement. To get the most from turmeric, always pair it with black pepper, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. This powerful combination turns an everyday spice into a healing remedy. Sprinkling turmeric into your meals can give your prostate the protection it needs. You can easily add turmeric to soups, teas, or vegetable dishes to enjoy its benefits. Many people also choose turmeric supplements for stronger results. Its healing power goes beyond the prostate. It helps fight inflammation all over the body, from joints to skin. Regular use of turmeric can give you better comfort, energy, and long-term protection. Think of it as a small but mighty step you can take daily. By including turmeric in your diet, you're adding a natural shield to your prostate health plan. Remember, along with these 7 foods, your lifestyle also plays a huge role in prostate health. Drinking plenty of water, not from plastic bottles, helps flush toxins and keeps the urinary system working smoothly. Regular exercise improves blood flow and hormone balance, which directly supports the prostate. Try to avoid processed meats, red meats, alcohol, and too much caffeine, as these can worsen prostate problems. Instead, focus on clean, whole foods and healthy habits. In addition, avoid drinking water from plastic bottles, as this habit has been linked to prostate damage, including enlargement. These small daily choices add up to big results over time. Your prostate health is truly in your hands and on your plate. Here is prostate shrinking herbal tea recipe. Ingredients per 1 liter of water. 1 tablespoon nettle root supports urinary flow and reduces inflammation. 1 tablespoon saw palmetto berries helps block DHT, which enlarges the prostate. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, anti-inflammatory and protective. 1 teaspoon organic ginger root, fresh grated, improves circulation and reduces inflammation. 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, zinc-rich, supports prostate health. 1 tablespoon pomegranate peel or hibiscus flowers, antioxidant, helps shrink prostate tissue. Instructions: boil 1 liter of water. Add all ingredients, reduce heat, and simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let steep another 10 minutes. Strain and drink 2-3 cups daily, warm or cooled. You can also add a little lemon or raw honey for taste, but avoid sugar. Best taken in the morning and afternoon, not too late at night, to avoid frequent urination. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and allows us to keep bringing you powerful health tips every week. Tell us in the comments, which of these foods will you add to your diet starting today? We'd love to hear from you. And don't miss our next video, where I'll reveal the worst foods that secretly make your prostate bigger. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.